Alrighty. Sorry, no webcam, everyone, because it's a little late. It's a little late here, but I'm still awake, so I do a little bit more studying today. Let's do the next Finnish skill, actually. Tips. Why? The Finnish question word for why is miksi? Miksi or miksi? Miksi. It's probably miksi. As with most other question words, where a sentence looks like a statement. Suomi on tärkeä kieli. Finnish is an important language. Finnish is important language. Miksi Suomi? Why? Miksi Suomi? Why Finnish is an important language. Miksi Suomi on tärkeä kieli? Nations, nationalities, and their languages. Unlike in English, actually, hold on. Let me check the audio. Make sure you can hear me. Using their languages. Unlike in English, actually, hold on. Unlike in English, languages are not considered proper nouns in Finnish. Therefore, they start with a letter in the lower case. Most language names look identical to the name of the nation or of their speakers except for the first letter. Polo. Suomi on maa. Suomi on kieli ja han on suomalainen. Finland is a country. Finnish is a language. And she is a Finn. Wow, such easy. The word niin. Nin. Suomi would mean. So is a quantifier that appears before an adjective or an adverb. Tämä lause on niin helppo. The sentence is so easy. However, since English insists on leaving articles lying around for speakers of Finnish to trip on, such is often the more idiomatic translation whenever the adjective is followed by a noun. Oh, okay. When you want to say such a, you can use niin. Eglangti on niin fakir kieli. Oops, I don't mean to do that. What did I just do? I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, people. Just wanted to do this. Fakir kieli. Definitely or. The conjunction by or pairs only in questions and is always exclusive, never inclusive. This means that you are expected to choose one thing as an answer to the question. Onko se kieli mere vai aksentti? Oh, really? As in English, the adverb todella really likes to march before the verb. It should not be confused with the determiner todella really, which precedes an adjective and has a different function. French, ranska? I guess I can see how they think it's ranska, fransk. Because if they heard somebody say franska for French. Because remember the name French comes from the Franks. Fransk. Ranska. Ranska. Ranska todella on kaunis kieli. French really is a beautiful language. Like saying, mon dieu, my god, French is beautiful, not pretty, nor cute, nor nice, beautiful. Okay? And the other meaning of todella yeah, my phone's just beeping me. Ranska on todella kaunis kieli. French is a really beautiful language. Yes, yes, yes. Oui, French is beautiful, and not just beautiful, but so beautiful that saying it that it is merely beautiful would be an understatement. Oh la la. All right. Teacher, teacher. Okay. Finnish children do not address teachers formally. No sirs here, no ma'am. Youngest children refer to the teachers by first name. As they grow older, nicknames and last names without a title become more common. Usually, though, the teacher is quite simply a teacher. Opettaja, or its abbreviation oppe. Opettaja. Opettaja, or its abbreviation oppe. Opettaja, miksi vero on tärkeä kieli. Teacher, why is Estonian an important language? Viro. Estonian. Kieli is language. Sana, word. Lause, sentence. Kusumis, question. Vastaus, answer. Accenti, accent. Mure, dialect. Opettaja, opettaja, Suomi, Viro, Ranska, Espanja, Japani, Englanti, Kiina, Saksa. Oh, that makes sense for Saxon. Saksa, Unkari, Hungarian, yeah. Korea. Sorry, Finnish has a stress on like the first syllable usually. It's a tärkeä, vaikea, helppo, easy. Asialainen, sorry, niin, vai, miksi. All right. Let's try this. Let's try this. See how hard this is gonna be. If it's too hard, I'll just do individual lessons. Teacher, why is the sentence wrong? Oppe, miksi tämä, miksi tämä lause? What? Teacher, why this sentence on väärin? Yep, this one.
Saksa on söpökieli.
German is super. German is a cute language, really. Super.
Saksa on söpökieli.
Saksa on superkieli. Super.
Saksa on söpökieli.
Super. German is a cute language. Japanese is an Asian language. Japani on asialainen kieli. Next.
Miksi ranska on tärkeä kieli?
Why is French tärkeä? Why is French an important language? Yeah. Why is French an important language? Is this a dialect or a language? Onko tämä mure vai kieli?
Englanti todella on tärkeä kieli.
English really is an important, I believe that was important, language. Tärkeä.
Englanti todella on tärkeä kieli.
Englanti todella on tärkeä.
Englanti todella on tärkeä kieli.
Todella on tärkeä.
Englanti todella on tärkeä kieli.
Englanti todella.
Englanti todella on tärkeä kieli.
Todella on tärkeä kieli.
Englanti todella on tärkeä kieli.
Really is an important language. German is such a cute language. Saksa on niin sapa kieli.
Millainen aksentti heillä on?
Millainen aksentti heillä on? What accent? Millainen. Yeah, what accent do they have? Millainen. Yeah, what accent do they have? What kind of accent do they have? You can say what accent do they have. I know it means more literally what kind of accent, but you can say what kind of accent. Yeah, I agree. Yep. Yeah, I think it should be accepted there. I am going to report that and say it should be accepted. Yeah, because if you try to say what accent do they have, it's going to end up like this anyways. Is English a difficult language? Onko englanti vaikea kieli?
Suomi, Viro ja Unkari.
Finnish, Estonian, and Hungarian. Suomi,
Suomi, Viro ja Unkari.
Viro ja Unkari.
Suomi, Viro ja Unkari.
Suomi, Viro ja Unkari.
Suomi, Viro ja Unkari.
Teacher, is Korean a big language? Onko Korea iso kieli?
Tämä kieli on tärkeä, mutta vaikea.
This language is important but difficult. Kieli ja murhe.
Opettaja, millainen kieli Korea on?
Teacher, what kind of language is Korean? Teacher, what? No. What is... What? I think this is asking what is the Korean language like, because millainen is literally what kind of. Teacher, what is the Korean language like? Okay. What kind of language is French? Millainen kieli ranskaan?
Opettaja, miksi tämä lause on niin usein väärin?
Teacher, why is this sentence so often wrong? Why is this sentence so often wrong? Yeah, this one means often. This is so wrong. An accent or dialect? Aksentti vai mure?
Miksi Suomi?
Mixi Suomi. Why Finnish? Mixi Suomi.
Miksi Suomi?
Mixi Suomi.
Miksi Suomi?
Mixi? Mixi or mixi?
Miksi Suomi?
Mixi Suomi. Unkari?
Miksi Japani on tärkeä kieli?
Why is Japanese an important language? Yay! Okay, continue. Be harder if I try to type it though. Once they take the tapping away, it'd be a lot harder. That was okay. Alright, that was some Finnish. And I think I'm gonna stream for about an hour. I don't know if I'm gonna get tired or not. So let's do some Spanish. Let's do a little bit of Spanish. Really, they broke my skills already. So I've been trying to level up the Spanish. I finished this some years and years ago. Actually, one of the first courses I finished when I started using Duolingo. And that was before they had all the different levels. So I'm trying to get the skills up to level 5. And right now they're all at least level 2. And some are level 5, 4, 3. So some are level 2. School 3. Let's test it.
¿Qué quiere dibujar Miguel?
¿Qué quiere? Oh yeah, what does Miguel want to draw? The teachers, los maestros, hablan ahora. Oh no, they want that. Oh, I think I used the past tense.
Los niños tienen que escribir mucho.
The children have to write a lot.
¿Estás saliendo ahora mismo?
Are you leaving right now? Ahora mismo's right now.
Nosotros estamos dibujando flores.
We're drawing flowers. Okay, what do you want today to drink? Okay, ¿queréis? ¿Qué queréis beber? And I'm using the informal plural.
¿Qué tienes que hacer ahora mismo?
What do you have to do right now? They are studying in the classroom. Are studying. Están estudiando en la. No. Classroom is aula. Están estudiando en aula. Yeah, that's so.
Necesito hablar con la maestra.
I need to speak with the teacher.
¿Tú estás escuchando?
Are you listening?
El maestro está leyendo la lección.
The teacher is reading the lesson.
Los estudiantes están leyendo sus exámenes.
The students are reading their exams.
Ellos están estudiando la lección.
They're studying the lesson.
Queremos abrir las ventanas.
We want to open the windows.
Ellos están escribiendo una nota al maestro.
They're writing a note to the teacher.
Él está comiendo con sus amigos.
He's eating with his friends.
Miguel, ¿qué estás escribiendo?
Miguel, what are you writing?
Estoy haciendo mi tarea ahora.
I'm doing my homework now. Okay. Hi, Mike. How's it going? I'm just studying a bit more. Porque. Why are you drinking my water? Porque bebes mi agua. How much more studying did you do? You know, I wish Ambiguous would stream a bit more. Because then, yeah, if he comes on around this time, I might have time. If he streams around this time, I might have some time to be able, I can probably watch him for like an hour before I fall asleep or something. You started crafting your Spanish 10 deck. Oh, good job. I found out how to create decks, add cards, and work with fields and card. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. I mean, the whole premise of Anki, aside from the SRS, is basic database design. They've done a good job, right? So he is learning a lot in class. Let's say, él está aprendiendo mucho en la clase. Hey! I'm gonna do a couple of Spanish skills. And then try to do some more Dutch timed practice. I found out how to create decks, add cards, and work with fields and card customization. So I created a simple card template. That's cool. Pronoun. Base verb and tense. Then an input box. Yeah, I never got around to configuring an input box. Like the one where you can type? I never got around to doing that. I should look into that more because I actually would like that for some of my decks. But then it seemed complicated to put the input box. I don't know. They have a built-in note type for input. I'll have to check that out again. Where is it? Like, where do you get that then? Is it under like? Do you do that under for the input type? It's a field, right? Is it a field? Oh no, okay. It's literally type back, type name of field to type name of field to type in. What? Oh. Oh, so it's asking you to type the English then? If you do like the last thing you gave me, type :English. That's asking you to type the English answer then? Yeah, that's actually cool. Yeah, okay. I think I kind of get it. I don't know if... Yeah. I mean, that's kind of why I used Memrise, though, for the typing. Like, they're both good. The default template uses back, but you could use something else. Yeah. Yeah, you can change that template. You can also add audio, which is kind of cool. Let me see how to add type options here. This is my options group manage. No. So let me see. I'm gonna try to do this without messing up one of my decks. Let's see, Rosetta Stone Dutch. Let's see, I have Rosetta Stone Dutch. So you're saying I probably... So I need... Where do I have to go? Do I have to go to cards or fields? No, I have to go to cards, right? Come on, cards. So you're saying I could use something else, though the names front and back. The front and back are pretty useless. I'm sorry, is your internet being bad now? So this is what I have. Yeah, so I'm on my cards. So I have like, why am I in the German one? Okay, here's the Dutch one. So give the English for Dutch. So what do I hold on, let me scroll back up to your command. But why is it nested? Oh yeah, it is nested. So what, if I put type before Dutch here? No. Which card do I put it in? Sorry, it's the same card, but which side of the card do I put it in? No, but this is asking for the Dutch answer, so I need the Dutch here. So if I do type, okay, and then, oh, give the English for, okay, that's card 1. Yeah, I put it on the front, right? It has to be the front, because the front is what you see. Front is the question side of the card. Okay, and now, yeah, it's kind of weird because they call it card 1, card 2, but card 2 is actually different. And so here I would do type English, right? If I want the English. I see what's going on. Why do they have example? Oh. Okay, let's see. What did I do? So I think those are the only 2 cards I have for this. Cards like one Dutch to English and the other one's English to Dutch, because that's all you really need. Options. Okay, let's see. I know how to add audio. Audio is pretty easy to add. Okay, let's see what happens to my Rosetta Stone Dutch, which I've already done. And type the name of the field with the answer. No, my first card is asking me for the... Oh, hold on. Let's see if this worked okay. Excuse me. 2? Why? Oh, there's no reviews. Okay, I'll review ahead by one day. Then no cards. Jeez. Review ahead by 2 days? Is there anything? I have no cards to review on this deck. I have 1 card to review. Sorry. Yeah, no, the ones are... That should be right then. No, that didn't work. Oops. That didn't seem to work. Hold on. Why didn't that work? Okay, custom session. Empty that custom session. What happened here? Yeah, this won't do anything. Okay, Rosetta Stone Dutch. What did I do? No. Okay. No, don't delete cards. Manage note types. Let's do this again. Yeah, because I give the English... Oh, no, so it should be type English is what you're saying, but normally... No, hold on. I know what's going on. I need a new line. I need a new line. I need another line. Yes. I think I need a new line is what's going on. Yeah, give the English for Dutch, and then I think that's right. Let's see. And then here, but we also want them to show. But I also want to show what I typed, right? No. Let's try this. Give the Dutch. Type Dutch. Right. Okay. Yeah, that's what I did. This was actually just the word that they were displaying. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I get what you were saying now. Didn't really reverse it, I just needed a new need to add a new entry. Okay. Okay, so let's see if I can get some actually, let's do this. Study all cards. This will go into like a custom thing. I don't need to choose tags. Go there, oh, go here. Let's see. Give the Dutch for hello. Hey, that's cool actually. But what if I don't want to type? Can we skip? I don't know. I don't remember if we can skip the typing. Het broodje. Can we skip the typing? I don't remember if we can skip the typing. Oh, you can. You can skip the typing. You could just say the sandwich, right? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. Du student. No, oh, pupil. That's why. It's the other one. Alright. I don't know. I kind of liked it as just a flashcard because it goes faster, but I guess you don't have to type. I'd like to center that though. Okay. I don't actually need to review those. I'm gonna empty that deck. That's actually cool. I meant to look into that, but never did. I have I have audio on this deck. Play audio. How do I play audio again? Or do I not have audio on this one? Maybe I don't have audio on this one. I know I have audio on some of them. No, there's no audio. Where's my audio? There. Oh no, that's what's going on. Okay, I have to install my M player and I didn't. That's alright. I'll do that some other time then. I didn't even see the answer, so. Oh. No. Oh no. It makes it hard to get back to the decks. Empty. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. That's true. I wonder how it works on the app version. Let's do a couple more units of Spanish. Yeah, if Memorize ever goes down. I mean, I knew you could do that with Anki, but... Yeah, probably should do that. So you can sync up with the server. But I mean, you can save everything onto your computer. Like, you can back up your whole collection and everything.
Estas imágenes son mías.
Well, that was productive, Mike. These images are mine.
Esa falda es bonita, pero no la quiero.
I think I need my allergy pill. My God. Okay, Mike, don't get too duck crazy though, because that's what happened with me. I got duck crazy. And I started putting everything in my own key. And then now I have like, do you see how much I have in my own key to review? Is it at the bottom? No, where is it? It normally tells me somewhere how much I have to review. Oh, it doesn't give me a sum total. Doesn't actually on here. I think on the Android app it tells me how much I have in total. I can check here. I have like current access news. Where's the one that's up for review? What happened here? Why can't I see that? Whole collection. That's the whole collection. Something weird is going on. Why can't I see? Where's the filter? Oh, where's my filter? Whatever. I just have too much to review on there. You can probably, I think some people have added like anatomy and other things. You can probably add geography, and but you have to be careful because like the images you put in there, if you're not careful, you might have too much to download and sync up onto your phone or something later. So that's why I didn't put a lot of audio on mine. I think I need to have to make sure my phone can handle it. It probably can now, I think. I don't know. Oh, geez, I meant to leave this open and I didn't. Okay, let me do some more Spanish. That skirt is pretty, but I don't want it. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, it makes sense because it's just grammar, right? Me gusta este jugo y lo bebo todo el tiempo. It's alright. Oh, I love, not I like. Me encanta. Okay. I think you can actually do subdecks, but that just kind of like, you can create the deck and then just manually like move it under the other deck to create it. Like these are subdecks, but I think I can like pull it out if I wanted to. I actually didn't like the tags because then there's like, I don't know.
Este queso es muy ligero, pero no lo quiero.
I don't know about the tags. I don't think I really use the tags on there. I don't want to create too many subtext to where it's really hard to work with anything, but I also want to be able to go into a specific topic without having lots of topics all into one, such as the Duolingo one I found. Yeah, they are supposed to, yeah, the tags are there to sort it out, but but then I guess it depends because like it depends what kind of tags you use, right? And if it's like cross languages, like I don't know. Well, I just put my things into subtext. Like everything that's like Spanish is all under Spanish. Everything under like this is all under Korean. I don't know though. I'm not so sure about how to use the tags. I think I have some decks that have tags in them that came with like like this. Well, that was all. I think that was the Korean deck, but this thing was from. Yeah, this is from a Spanish deck. They put like one. I don't know why they tagged it that way. I'm not entirely sure. You could let me know what you figure out with the tags. Yeah, I don't think they matter at all. But then...
Estas ensaladas son muy ligeras y las queremos comer.
Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you figure out about the tags. We want to eat them. Because I pretty much created all my own decks, but I still haven't found a good use for the tags across the languages. Yeah, you can, but then if there's like the same tag is used in for different language decks, then it gets confusing. Like, you know? Like, I thought this would help with something, but then I was like, if I ever use close tag for something else, then I'm gonna get more than Korean. Oh, but you know what? You can filter by deck and then tag, so that's probably fine.
Estos cafés son demasiado caros.
These? Does it want coffees or cafes? Cafes. Probably. I haven't really used them though. I have a book and I want to read it. Tengo un libro. Sorry. Y lo quiero leer.
Ella tiene muchas chaquetas y las usa
She
todas.
has many jackets and wears what? All of them? Yeah, like I said, I couldn't find an effective way to use the tags. And then I stopped. I mean, I could probably use the tags for like dividing a big deck up into separate parts, like if separate chapters and units, but I'm overthinking the structure. But I think I might go as far as languages. What? Languages: Spanish, grammar, verbs, preterite. I think make a simple deck for now, and as you have more decks, then you can figure out where they go under. Maybe the grammar is redundant, just not sure how niche I want the subdecks to be. You should make something for Norwegian.
Las camisas son baratas, pero él no la necesita.
The shirts are cheap, but he doesn't need them. Yeah, I think you can just build a simple decks for now, and then you can move them. I think you can move them around pretty easily as you go. Because you can get rid of tags pretty easily and change the database. As long as you don't like. I think as long as you don't delete actual entries, right? As long as you don't delete entries, like, you know, as long as you don't do that, you can pretty much manipulate it pretty easily, and that's the thing I like about it. Languages: Spanish, verbs, preterite. I think it would be. No, it shouldn't be. You mean the overall structure of all the decks? I mean, I have all of these Korean ones together. But, like, all my Korean decks use the same... Sorry, all of my Korean decks use the same note style. They use the same note style. I just copy. Because you can, like, copy the notes. Set for all subdecks. I just saw that. Didn't notice that before. I wonder how easy it is to move a whole subdeck. Maybe it's pretty easy, Mike. You can move the whole subdeck. Like I said, you can just pull it out. Like, I can just pull it out from here if I really wanted to. See? Oh, I actually put it under there. No, don't pull it under there. Put it under there. So it's pretty easy. I just don't want too many topics in the same topic. I would just create a deck that was just preterite, but I guess it depends on where you want to put all your information in the database rather than I'm going to practice Spanish. Yeah. Well, that's why I can just do this. So this is just this deck. I don't know about the tags. I mean, because the tags feel like you'd have to do, like... With the tags, it feels like... Then you'd have to filter... You'd have to create a filter and create a custom deck. So you can do this. options. So you can do this and create your filter to create a deck based on the tags. I'm not sure about the tags. Guess it depends on how much organizing you want to do. Only some decks.
Cierro la puerta del refrigerador.
I don't know. I just created one deck at a time. That's all I did. I closed the door to the I closed the refrigerator door. I closed the fridge door.
Ese señor, ¿lo conoces?
That that do I want to say that? That would be more like, that gentleman, do you know him? Yeah, just start with one.
Son mis
Just
lápices,
one or two,
pero
just
ella los
make them.
necesita.
Just make them as you go and you can kind of figure it out. I think it's pretty easy to manipulate everything. I'm pretty sure I've even had to I've even had to change a field or two, right? As long as you're not worried about the information in the field. They are my pencils. But she needs them.
Pablo tiene muchos platos y los usa todos.
Pablo has many plates and uses all of them.
Come la salsa.
Eat the sauce.
Ella compra naranjas porque sus hijos las comen.
Oranges because her children eat them.
No tengo mi bici porque no la necesito.
Have my bike because I don't need it. Yeah, you can choose to practice Spanish as a whole, verbs, or just prior. Instead of Spanish being a whole deck without any subtext. I can't bother to add too much stuff today, but I'll look into it tomorrow later today. I think I'm gonna be up for another 45 minutes.
Los postres, ¿ellos no los comen?
Wouldn't this just be desserts? Don't they eat them? They eat them? Yeah. Shouldn't take too long if I have a nice flow. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I basically sat down one day with the Spanish verb book and just kind of went through them while I was going. I mean, it's a bit of typing, but you can get through it pretty easily. So, oh, Mike, that Dutch, I was showing you guys that Dutch verb course on here that's a disaster. So, I went on Amazon.nl and I found the verb book that's sold by Fandala instead. Which is a lot cheaper than 150 euros. So, it was sold on Amazon. It's the same price too. It's the same price as on here. And I didn't want to set up an account on here for the book. Yeah, here. Talon. So, yay, it's basically like the French verb conjugation book I have. And so I'm going to use, where is it? there's a grammar book, but where is my verb book? It's here somewhere. I ordered it. It's like 26 euros. There. This one. Oh, I already ordered it. I don't know why it's in the Winkelwagen. Winkelwagen. Okay, it doesn't need to be there anymore. Can you not be in there? I'm just gonna take it off for now, but... Oh, whatever. Won't remove it. So this one. It's a nice little grammar book. And I guess their preview is showing me some English words. So I should get this cute little... I didn't even see how many pages it is on Amazon. It's 256 pages. Yeah, it's okay. It reminds me of this French verb conjugation book I have that's like really small. So they put all the verbs, I guess they put all the verbs in a table. Oh, actually, it even has a present tense. Oh, it has all the tenses, eh? Right? For Dutch. I don't really need all the tenses, but you know, I said, this is what I've been looking for. I wanted something in Dutch that explains the conjugation in Dutch. And hopefully there's a list of verbs. It should have a list of verbs towards the end somewhere, because it says you can look up each verb for its conjugation. I'm like, okay, that is definitely what I want. So I'll get that hopefully on Friday, and then I'll make a Dutch verb. I'll make a Dutch verb deck. I'll finally make a Dutch verb deck. It's time. I need to get better at Dutch. So that will be fun to do. Can I just clear this website so that it doesn't think I have anything in the wagon anymore? I don't know. Clear data? Yeah. There we go. So yes, I finally found a good Dutch verb book. What is this? Oh. Oops. I'm lurking on somebody's stream. Is it este piano? Caro. Y no lo compra. Is it este piano? Este piano es caro y no lo compro. Sorry, compro. Why did I type that? Forgetting. Nunca. Never open. Abro packages. Those packages. Esos paquetes. Esos paquetes. Paquetes. The store is very bad. Esta tienda es muy malo. Mala. Yay. Okay, one more Spanish skill. One more Spanish skill, and then I'm gonna try and do some more Dutch. Okay. Who else is around? There's somebody else around today.
¿Puedes cambiar tus planes?
Can you change? Can you change your plans?
Nosotros venimos a la fiesta a las 8. Yo vengo a casa el 22 de enero.
Venir. I return home. January 22nd. I return home January. I would say 22nd. No, seriously. Seriously, people. I'm learning Spanish. I don't need you to correct my English. Juan. Puedes. Llegar a las 9. A las 9.
Me gustaría viajar a China.
No, I would like to travel to
Esteban se queda en casa de María.
Esteban. Stayed. They're trying to trick me. Esteban is staying in Maria's house. In Maria's home. Oh wow, what? Wow, what? Esteban is staying in Maria's home. You know what I'd say in English for this? I would say Esteban is staying at Maria's. That's what I would say. There is a value for the subtext, so I didn't even need the tensu. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Okay. I'm not sure what you did. I'm gonna risk failing this because they don't like my English. Oh, they took it. What? Okay. Why don't you stay longer? No. Quieras. ¿Por qué no quieras? ¿Por qué?
Por
qué
qué
no
no
quieras
más
So it is más tiempo. No. I forgot it's reflexive.
Nosotros invitamos a Fernanda.
Damn it. So instead of adding that field to every single card, I can just refer to... Yeah. Yeah. Wait. What field did you add to every card?
Nos quedamos en Boston por 2 meses.
We stay in Boston for 2 months.
Tú invitas a muchas personas.
You invite and I'm gonna say a lot of people. And kept typing preterite. Oh, okay, yeah. Wait, what? Why would you? Oh, dears. That's alright. It's easy enough to delete the field, right?
Creo que te va a gustar.
I believe. I think you're going to like. Te va a gustar. I think you're going to. What? Creo que te va a gustar. Tags, type text, subtext, cards, front side can all be wrapped to get those values. Yeah. Wait, what? I think I understand what you're saying, Mike. Because I've used it for a long time. I think you can pretty much filter, and then later you can filter anything. You can pretty much filter anything in Anki, and then create your custom study deck.
Tenemos que pensar en muchas cosas.
We have to think about many things. Basically, I can say, yeah, you can save yourself a bit of work. That's actually kind of why I like the subdecks.
Te voy a decir algo luego.
I'm going to say something. Te voy a decir. I'm going to say. What? Luego, isn't that like? I'm going to tell you something later.
Empiezas el trabajo el 1 de junio.
You start work.
Ella te invita al baile el viernes.
She invites you to the dance on Friday.
Ellos invitan a sus abuelos.
They invite their grandfather. I guess say grandfathers, but it could be grandparents actually. It tries to yell at me for using the same front because I use what? Hi, Makotos. Hi there. How's it going? I'm doing a little bit of late night studying. Just a little bit. How is the rest of your day so far? You were studying Spanish, weren't you, earlier? Mike has been fiddling with this Anki thing. And this is a flashcard application. That's really fun. Yes, you were. Yeah, I'm trying to remember. There's quite a few new people today. And I'm trying to remember everyone. Yes, and how was, yeah, you were studying Spanish. Yes. And so how was the rest of your day?
No me quedo por mucho tiempo.
No me queda por... Not staying very long. Por supuesto. Julia. Still not over on breakup. Oh, you're at work. Yeah. Okay, so you're Wait, what time is it for you? Because you're on... If you're on the East Coast, it's evening. It's pretty late for me right now. It's almost 3:30 in the morning. Hopefully your workday has been going well. Okay, the date of the concert is the 2nd of January. Oh man, I might watch out on this. The date of the concert. Because right now all I can think about is Dutch. La fecha del concierto. La fecha del concierto es el 2 de enero. I think that's right, but I'm not sure. La
Fecha
del
del concierto es el 2
de enero.
enero.
Yes, okay. One more. I'm going to come around 9, boy. I'm going to come around 9. Voy a venir.
Voy a
No, voy a venir
venir
a las 9. No! Bean! Oh, around 9, not at 9, around 9. So it was right. Voy a venir, but sobre las 9. Oops. Spanish, yeah, I actually finished all the skills in Spanish a while back. It was like one of the first courses I ever did on Duolingo. But then they added all the different levels, so I was like, oh, fine, I'll just try to level them up. Yeah, that was mean. That was mean, Duo. Okay, I gotta do that over. I made some stupid mistakes. Mean Duo. No Duo. The first languages I did in Duolingo were French and Spanish, basically, and Dutch.
Van a cambiar la fecha del concierto.
They're going to change the date of the concert. Hold on. Can you tell me your name? Damn it, I need water. So, puedes, me puedes. Can you tell me your name? Tell. What's the word for tell? Me puedes. I can't remember. God damn it. Me
puedes.
Decir. That's okay. They want decir. Decir. Tu nombre. I added a few irregular verbs to start with. Crushed the practice. That's good. Oh, so you added some in your Anki and then just practiced a little bit. That's cool. Those I did, because then you get a sense of like what actually works when you build your deck. I've been studying Spanish off and on for a while now. Mikuros, and Mike is actually working on making decks in Anki for his Spanish learning. You know, when I first started using Duolingo about almost 6 years ago, I said, you know what? I think if you tried to learn a language using only Duolingo and nothing else, it'd be very, very hard to get to advanced, never mind fluency. So past 5 months, I've been streaming Duolingo, using Duolingo and a few other language apps. But frankly, if you really, really want to improve with the language, you need some kind of SRS flashcard system. The SRS is the spaced repetition, and so I've been like, I need to get back to using my Anki, and Memrise is also really good for the spaced repetition. It's decent for spaced repetition. Sergio, hi, how's it going? Yes, everyone, I am up late. ¿Cómo estás, Sergio? ¿Cómo estás?
Venimos al parque todas las tardes.
I am studying a little bit of Spanish. And Miku, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Mikurus? Can I just call you Miku? Serge, hola, ¿cómo estás? Yes, we all like Spanish. We, venir, come to the park every afternoon. How is it going, Sergio? How's the Spanish going? ¿Qué tal tu español? Estoy bien, muy cansado. Yeah. I think I'm actually getting hungry now. I wasn't hungry earlier. I have like I have 2/3 of a triple cheeseburger lying around. Mi español es más o menos, more or less. I'm sure you're getting better.
¿Te quedas aquí por muchos días?
Are you practicing your Spanish with your parents right now? Yes, Miku is also studying Spanish. We're all studying Spanish. Are you staying here? Are you staying here for many? Are you staying here for many days? I'm thinking about the English now.
Vengo aquí todos los miércoles.
I come here every Wednesday. Vengo aquí todos los miércoles. Hola, Games Mike.
Eduardo se queda por 3 semanas.
Eduardo se queda por 3 semanas. Is Eduardo... Why am I doing that? Eduardo staying for 3 weeks. No he sido llamar mi papá esta semana, pero sí estoy practicando con mis padres. Ah, bueno. Muy bueno. I wish it was a lot easier for me to pick up the Chinese that I speak with my mom. It's not because it's an older, let's just say it's a dialect of Cantonese, and it's probably like it's not as common as Cantonese, but I think if I get better at Cantonese, it'd be easier to speak with her. ¿Por qué? No, why don't you arrive around 5? ¿Por qué no llega? Let's use llegáis. The informal plural that's used in Spanish. ¿Por qué no llegáis sobre el 5? Last 5. Oh my god. Last 5.
Ellos invitan a sus abuelos.
That is so nice. I really have to figure out some way to call my mom because she only has a landline. They invite their grandparents.
¿Por qué no empiezas el 3 de mayo?
Why don't you start on May 3rd? So your mom, she does speak Cantonese, yeah. I mean, she speaks Taishanese and Cantonese, and so she understands Cantonese. So basically, I'd be speaking a mashup of Taishanese and Cantonese. That's usually what happens with me and her. So I need to get better at it. It's kind of hard. It's the thing is, as an adult, it's hard to explain like some of the things that are going on in my life, and with the whole internet and the way digital technology is going, it's really hard to explain these things to her. It's like I can't I don't know how to explain, hi mom, this is what I've been doing, I'm on Twitch, and it's, unless like somebody actually shows it to her while I'm streaming, and it's like, so I'm like, it's because she's really old now.
Nosotros invitamos a Fernanda.
She's in her 80s, and you know, English, she can understand English fairly well, and she can speak a little bit of English, but she relied on my dad a lot when he was around, and then after that she just relied on my older sisters to
Me
help
quedo
her.
en la ciudad por una semana.
And I'm hoping that because I live in the Netherlands, I'm hoping I won't end up in that situation where I have to rely on somebody too much because of the language.
¿Qué quieres hacer luego?
What do you want to do later?
Tenemos que pensar en muchas
You
cosas.
have to think about many things.
Nos quedamos en Boston por 2 meses.
We stay in Boston for 2 months.
Ella te invita al baile el viernes.
She invites you to the dance on Friday.
Tú invitas a muchas personas.
You invite many people.
No te va a gustar.
You're not going to like it. No te va a gustar. No te va a gustar. Can't you come today? No. You know, you could also do this. This is used more in Spain. No podéis venir hoy. Can't you come today? No.
No,
Puedes
venir.
hoy. Oh, it's E. It's the EIS one. Slight mistake. Oh, they gave it to me. I have to come on. We have to come on Sunday again. Tenemos que venir. And then mixed Dutch words are coming into my head. Tenemos que venir on Sunday. El domingo. Otro, you can say otro vez, I think. Otro vez.
Tenemos.
Yeah.
Venir. El. Sobre.
Oops.
Domingo.
Otra. That's what I thought. Otra vez. Hey. Por supuesto. I don't know why the sentence is here. It's a really easy sentence. Por supuesto, Julia. Okay. So I am gonna switch into I'm gonna do some Dutch for another, like, I don't know. What time is it? I'm gonna do Dutch for another maybe like 15 minutes. So there's a lot of skills. They added a lot of skills to this tree. Why? Okay. Anyways, what I really need to practice. I love Spanish. Me gusta el español. Pero yo necesito aprender Hollandaise. I don't, I love Spanish, but I need to learn Dutch. So that's what I'm gonna do for a little bit, maybe another 15 minutes, I think. And I gotta do some time practice, so if I can't keep up with chat, please bear with me. De dief is waarschijnlijk al in het buitenland.
Kan dit tapijt vliegen?
Oh, I don't want to just listening practice, I'm sorry. Ships sail in these areas. Schepen zeilen in deze gebieden. Why does he not travel to France? Waarom reist hij niet naar Frankrijk?
Het vliegtuig vliegt over de oceaan heen.
Het vliegtuig vliegt over de oceaan heen.
Zij reizen naar Frankrijk in februari.
Zij reizen naar Frankrijk in februari.
Ik vlieg elke zomer naar Amerika.
I fly every summer to America.
Als we in de buurt zijn, komen we op bezoek.
Als we in de buurt zijn, komen we op bezoek. If we're in the area, we
De veerboot vaart dag en nacht.
The ferry sails day and night.
Het vliegtuig vliegt over de oceaan heen.
Het vliegtuig. The plane flies over the ocean, and heen just means around the ocean.
Het schip vaart naar Engeland.
The ship sails to England. Ik vlieg naar Amerika elke zomer. Yeah. Word order. We reizen. Oh, eastward. Naar het oosten. This is bad. I should remember that. Ik vlieg elke zomer naar Amerika. Okay, a couple of more. Making stupid mistakes with the Dutch. It's annoying. I should just click practice again. Actually. Less clicking if I do it that way. Start time practice. He's traveling to Germany. Hij reist naar Duitsland.
Ik vraag een nieuw paspoort aan, voordat ik op vakantie ga.
Ik vraag een nieuw paspoort aan voordat ik op vakantie ga. Ik. I'm too tired to say all these. Her adventures are not for me. Haar avonturen zijn niks voor mij.
Ik boek 4 kamers.
Ik boek 4 kamers. Nee, zitten geen gevaarlijk voorwerpen in mijn bagage.
U moet een visum aanvragen.
U moet een visum aanvragen. Can I book a seat? Kan ik een stoel boeken?
Mijn vakantie is helaas voorbij.
Mijn vakantie is helaas voorbij. My vacation is unfortunately over.
Kan ik een stoel boeken?
Can I book a seat?
De vlucht kost €1000.
De vlucht kost €1000. Redoing your system a bit, Mike? I'm sorry.
Haar avonturen zijn niks voor mij.
Her adventures aren't for me. De trein.
Wij hebben vandaag over Duitsland geleerd.
We learned about Germany today. De vlucht.
Het spijt me, meneer, maar uw bagage is te zwaar.
Sorry, sir, but your luggage is too heavy.
Het avontuur begint.
The adventure begins. Ik boek. Ik boek weer kamers. U moet. You have to apply for a visa in visum Oh, I can't remember apply for. Aanvragen. Ik vraag een nieuwe. Oh shoot, can't remember. Ik vraag een nieuwe paspoort aan voordat ik naar vakantie ga. Oh, ik vraag een nieuwe paspoort aan voordat ik op vakantie. Jullie doen. Ik boek 4 kamers. I just got that one thing wrong. Op vakantie. Vakantie. Op vakantie. No, I can't talk anymore. Alright. I did a couple more. And then let's see. Let's see who's around to raid. The arrival is on the same. De aankomst is op dezelfde dag.
De aankomst is op dezelfde dag.
De aankomst is op dezelfde dag. Your suitcase is. Uw koffer is te zwaar.
Hebben wij iets?
Hebben wij een gids? We have 2 suitcases. We hebben 2 koffers.
De toeristen bezoeken de Nederlandse windmolens.
De toeristen bezoeken de Nederlandse windmolens. Windmolens. We willen internationaal zijn. Internationaal zijn. We willen internationaal zijn. Internationaal zijn.
Wij volgen onze gids.
Wij volgen onze gids.
De boot van zijn oom is in een andere stad.
His uncle's boat is in another city.
Is het ver weg?
Is het ver weg?
Wanneer vertrekt de volgende vlucht naar Amsterdam?
Does the next flight to Amsterdam leave? The boat.
Hoe ver is het?
How far is it?
Internationale vluchten zijn duur.
International flights are expensive. They are expensive.
Mijn vader heeft een zeilboot van 12
My
meter.
father has a sailboat. Has a 12 meter sailboat. Has a 12 meter sailboat. Oh. We don't want zitten zijn. Okay, zijn. Wer zeilboten op het water? Op het water. Oké. Ik wil een zeilboot. We willen een internationaal zijn. We want to be international. Zijn. Didn't they give me this already? They're giving it to me twice. We hebben 2 koffers. Yay! I don't know how many more I can do. I can probably do 2 more. Okay. I used to play with that little boy. Ik speelde vroeger met dat jongetje.
Ze maakte een foto van elke bezienswaardigheid.
Ze maakte een foto van elke bezienswaardigheid. Nee, ik gebruikte een verschillende... What? Medicine.
Mijn ouders kookten voor mijn vrienden.
Mijn ouders kookten voor mijn vrienden. We made pasta. We maakten pasta voor het ontbijt. Pasta for breakfast, people.
Dat boek maakte mij heel verdrietig.
Dat boek maakte mij heel verdrietig. That book made me very sad. Verdrietig. Did not have to play with the rhino. You have niet met Je hoeft niet met de neushoorn te spellen.
Het hoefde niet, maar ik deed het toch.
Het hoefde niet, maar ik deed het toch. Het, toch. Het.
Ze opende de koffer om naar haar paspoort te zoeken.
She opened the suitcase to search for her passport. Zijn broer stopte hem eindelijk.
Ze opende de koffer om naar haar paspoort te zoeken.
Ze opende de koffer om naar haar paspoort te zoeken.
Mijn
Ja.
broer kookte heel graag toen hij 7 jaar oud was.
Liked to cook when he was 7 years old. Iedereen, wow, have I seen this many? Iedereen kende. Iedereen kende. I've never seen that many options before.
Het hoefde niet, maar ik deed het toch.
It wasn't necessary. I'm going to translate this as it wasn't necessary, but I did it all the same.
Ze gebruikten water om de brand te
They
blussen.
used water to extinguish the fire.
We stopten het snoep in onze geheime doos.
Put the candy in our secret box. Yeah, I did not have to. Yeah, hoofd. Oh, hoefde. Hoefde. Je hoefde met de neushoorn niet spellen. Je hoefde niet. Ze gebruikte water om de brand te blussen. They used plural. Ze gebruikten water om de brand te blussen. Wat we deden. We maakten pasta ontbijt. No, voor het ontbijt. 3 wrong. One more and I'm done for the night. I think. Okay, one more and I'm done for the night. So we're gonna have to rate somebody. I clicked continue. What happened? Oh, wrong thing. Practice again. Last one. He did not believe us. Hij geloofde ons.
Ik praatte met mijn advocaat.
Ik praatte met mijn advocaat. It even rained a little bit. Het regende zelfs een beetje.
Het duurde een jaar voordat ik Nederlands wilde leren.
Het duurde een jaar voordat ik Nederlands wilde leren. It lasted a year before I wanted to learn Dutch. It took a year. Het duurde een jaar voordat ik Nederlands.
Woonde er iemand in de windmolen?
Woonde er iemand in de windmolen? Wow. Giving that to me. There were 3 dogs in my house. Er waren 3 honden in mijn huis.
Wij praten over het bos.
Wij praten over het bos.
We waren zo gelukkig.
We were so lucky. Je was je.
Dat was toen we daar nog woonden.
That was when we still lived there. Gisteren regende het.
Ze praatte de hele tijd.
She talked the whole. Can't even type English. Dat kan ik me niet verloven. I can't afford that.
Wij wilden het niet.
We didn't want it.
Wij praten over het bos.
We talked about the forest. We wilden het niet. You can niet veroorloven. Je kan niet veroorloven om een auto te kopen. Je kunt het niet. Je kunt het je niet veroorloven. Why is there another ya? I guess it's reflexive. Was iemand wonende in de windmolen? Why am I typing that? Woonde iemand in de windmolen? Het spijt me dat I did not believe it. Dat ik je geloofde niet. No! Dat ik jullie niet geloofde. Dat ik... What? Niet geloofde. That was bad. That was bad. No, that... Niet has to come before the verb. It feels like neat has been going everywhere in... I still got 16. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough Dutch for now. Maybe I should, I probably should, I'm somewhere else in this Dutch grammar that I was reading. Maybe I should read that. I read one book on Dutch grammar. I need to read some more Dutch grammar. I need to finish reading my Spanish grammar. I have a lot reading to. Phew, done with reworking. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so how many entries did you add to your Anki, Mike? You gotta start adding stuff. Here's my Dutch. It's funny that they call them cards, but then each one is separate. I forget what they call each separate thing then. Alright. You're done with reworking? Okay, we need to go rate somebody. Let's go rate someone. Who's around? Let me see who's around. Who is around? Let me check this. I have, oh. People are playing games right now. You only did 18 so far? You can add more eventually. You're still adding more? You need to make something for Norwegian so you can do it in Anki. I actually do have Norwegian teacher self. I just didn't get very far in it yet. Like a lot of the other teacher self stuff I didn't get very far in. Yeah, let's just do that for now. I don't know what happened there. And I guess some people went offline. What is going on here? Oh, Carlos is still on actually, but he's just chatting. Anyone doing Duolingo today? And I'm sorry, I haven't played a game. Well, I actually played some Terraforming Mars, but I'm sorry I have not played Horizon Zero Dawn for like a week now. But I'm gonna try and play tomorrow night if I'm not too tired. Oh, wait, what? Okay, someone is learning Japanese. Wait, recently started. Yeah, that's me. Late night Duolingoing. And then Finnish, Spanish, Dutch. That's me. German Duolingo. French stories in Duolingo. Somebody is learning Japanese. And they just started 9 minutes ago. Let's see what this person is doing, because I'm going to get back to Japanese very soon. As soon as I finish the Mandarin course on Lingo Dare, I'm going to start the Japanese.
How do Nazis get into the state?
Okay, wait, there's an ad right now. What, why am I? Oh, damn it.
I will shower. I woke up early this. Wait. No, I woke up early. Wait, what?
Okay, we can try writing this person.
What do they want here?
I don't know what they normally do. Minecraft.
I woke up early this morning.
Schedule.
Okay.
What? Oh, I already just saw the videos, I think. How long have they been learning Japanese? Alright, cute weeb. Alright, cute weeb, you're it. Actually, I should have left it open. It's like... oops, I didn't mean to close it actually. I should have left it open for me. Yeah, just mute that for now though. Alright everyone, we are gonna go raid cute weeb. Only eating sir är dagen världen pratar. Oh, cool. That's cool, Mike. You're just doing it preterite, not comparing it. Yeah, the only reason I did a preterite versus imperfect deck is because I kept getting them confused sometimes when I'm translating, so I wanted to make sure my brain remembered which one was which and which way I was going. But let's go raid. Let's go raid. Yay, let's do some raids. This person is learning Japanese. Just kind of fun. Let's see how they're doing with Japanese. And everybody's saying Ninja Bot raid. So this is what we all say, but Mike knows this. Ninja Bot raid with the hearts or with Ninja Bot hype if you have it. Alright, anybody else around? Okay, right now. Bye. Bye. See you later. Thanks for dropping by, everyone. It's a nice, quiet, late night studying. And scene. And scene. Right now.